Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor until 5:45 a.m. At 4:21 a.m., gusty line of snow showers were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles north of Delaware Grace to 24 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 36 nautical miles northwest of Key Bridge, moving southeast at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicator. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations and tactics include Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst, Turkey Point, Aberdeen Proving Ground, North Point State Park, Magacy River, Hart Miller Island, Dobbins Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Tilchester Beach, Wharton Point, Pools Island, Spassuti Island, Love Point, Gunpowder River, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Northeast River, and 7-Foot Knoll. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.